Good evening to all the esteemed faculty, delegates, and the dignitaries present here. On behalf of the CSI West Bengal branch, it is a pleasure to welcome you all in the inauguration ceremony of Virtual Conference of Eastern India Eco and Imaging Conclave 2021. We would like to welcome you all the dignitaries virtually for the commencement of the ceremony. I would like to call upon Dr. Anjan Lal Dotto, President CSI West Bengal Branch, Dr. P.S. Banerjee, Chairman Reception Committee, Dr. P.K. Deb, Patron Eastern India Eco and Imaging Conclave, Dr. Shukumar Ghosh, Honorary Secretary CSI West Bengal Branch, Dr. Aniruddha De, Scientific Chairman Eastern India Eco and Imaging Conclave, and Dr. B.N. Jha, Organizing Secretary Eastern India Eco and Imaging Conclave, to grace the auspicious ceremony of the inauguration of the conference. Now, let us start the ceremony with the blessings of Ma Saraswati. Now, we would like to felicitate our dignitaries by presenting them the flower bouquet virtually. I would like to call upon the name of Dr. Anjan Lal Dotto, President CSI West Bengal Branch and the Chairman Organizing Committee of Eastern India Eco and Imaging Conclave, Dr. P.S. Banerjee, Chairman Reception Committee, Dr. P.K. Deb, Eastern India Patron, Eastern India Eco and Imaging Conclave, Dr. Shukumar Ghosh, Secretary, Honorary Secretary, CSI West Bengal Branch, Dr. Aniruddha De, Scientific Chairman, Eastern India Eco and Imaging Conclave, and Dr. B.N. Jha, Organizing Secretary, Eastern India Eco and Imaging Conclave. Now, I would like to request Dr. Anjan Lal Dotto, President CSI West Bengal Branch and Chairman Organizing Committee Eastern India Eco and Imaging Conclave 2021 to inaugurate the conference and declare the conference open and to share your thoughts with our guests, sir.
Dear friends, it's a great pleasure to invite you all on behalf of the Cardiological Society of India, West Bengal branch, at the Eco and Imaging Conclave of Eastern India being held on 9th, being held on 8th and 9th of this month. Because of the difficult situations, we are holding the conference in virtual format. I also feel it's my duty and it's all our feeling to pay respect and pay tributes to the departing souls, our friends, colleagues, health workers, and frontline soldiers who laid their life to fight against the corona pandemic. But then life marches on. The show must go on. And we should walk alone, holding science and humanity in two hands so that nothing can stop us from our scientific activities and human welfare activities. The West Bengal branch of CSI has organized this conference in a virtual format for the first time, and the trouble and the credit goes to the organizing secretary and the scientific chairman for the exceptional contents of the program and for the excellent ambience of the virtual conference. With newer technical advance, the echocardiography, as you all know, has expanded enormously. It has become a part of multimodality imaging system, and the area that is covering it has become so enormously dynamic and expanding that unless we have meeting like this more frequently, we cannot keep breast with time so far the developments of echocardiography and imaging systems are concerned. It's a pleasure for me to have the international faculty taking all the trouble for attending the conference. I pay my special respect and gratitude to them along with the national faculty. With these few words, I welcome you again and wish the conference a great success. Thank you very much. Long live CSI.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your thoughts with us. Now I request all the dignitaries to lit the auspicious lamp virtually. तुषारहारधवला या शुभ्रवक्षावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या कुन्देन्दु तुषारहारधवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना. Now, I would like to request all of you to release the souvenir of the conference in this auspicious ceremony. Now I would like to request Dr. P.K. Dev, Patron of Eastern India Eco and Imaging Conclave 2021.
Dear friends, East India Eco and Imaging Conclave is going to be held on as a virtual conference on 8th and 9th May 2021. I wish the conference a grand success. The conference has been meticulously planned by Dr. Anjanal Datta, the President, CSI West Bengal Branch, Dr. Sukumar Ghosh, Secretary, CSI West Bengal Branch, and the Executive Committee of the CSI West Bengal Branch. It is well organized by Dr. B.N. Jha, with adequate support as a scientific chairman by Dr. Aniruddha De. With the brainstorming scientific program, he came forward, which was seen never before in such a conference. And the innovative ideas, the brainstorming sessions, the mind-blowing topics that is found to be included in the scientific program is simply astonishing. In this connection, I want to make a small recommendation that is it possible to make the same persons, Dr. B.N. Jha, the scientific B.N. Jha, the organizing secretary, and Dr. Aniruddha De, the scientific chairman, to become the scientific chairman and organizing secretary again in the next year in the Icon 3. Please think over. Thank you very much. Thank you very. I wish the conference again a great, grand success. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind words. Now I am requesting to Dr. Aniruddha De, Scientific Chairman of the conference, to say a few words with us.
Dear colleagues, it gives me immense pleasure to invite you to the conclave organized by the CSI West Bengal branch, Kolkata. Learning is a continuous process, and it is our endeavor to match your expectation each year. Unfortunately, Eastern India Eco-Imaging Conclave 2021 is organized in the era of unforeseen pandemic of COVID-19, which is our greatest concern with dangerous second wave. But knowledge has to be improved, challenged, and increased constantly, or it vanishes, as stated by Peter Drucker. Presently, we can no longer rely on a single type of imaging technique to reach an accurate diagnosis. Hence, we have to use multiple techniques complementarily. For this reason, this conclave has introduced couplet and the debate session by the various experts in the field of image diagnosis. I wholeheartedly ask for your constructive participation and encouragement. I wish you and our society tremendous success. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your thoughts with us, experience with us. Now, I would like to call Dr. Shukumar Ghosh, Honorary Secretary of CSI West Bengal branch, to share your thoughts with us, sir.
Dear friends and colleagues, CSI West Bengal branch is organizing the Eastern India Eco and Imaging Conclave 2021 on a virtual platform due to ongoing COVID-19 pandemic situations. The motion of our lives is now virtual. We are virtually sharing our knowledges and thoughts, and we may need to continue the virtual meets in future until pandemic is over. So my best wishes for huge success of this conference. Stay safe and stay healthy, and thanks for all.
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable words, sir. Now, I would like to request Dr. B.N. Jha, Organizing Secretary of Eastern India Eco and Imaging Conclave 2021. Sir, please, your words, sir.
Respected dignitaries, faculties, delegates, ladies and gentlemen, my warm welcomes everyone in this conference, Eastern India Eco Imaging 2021. Due to COVID pandemicity, we all are organizing these events virtually. The aim of this conference is to create an exciting forum for particularly related to eco, MRI, CT angio, nuclear imaging of cardiovascular diseases. We hope to see the lively exchange of knowledge between expert faculties and all my dignitaries. My special thanks, I want to give a special thanks to Dr. Anjan Lal Datta sir, President West Bengal CSI, Dr. P.K. Dev, our patron chief, Dr. P.P. Mohan, President CSI, Dr. P.S. Banerjee, President-elect CSI, Dr. Debrot Roy, Honorary Secretary CSI, Dr. Jayanto Shah, Treasurer West Bengal, Dr. Shukumar Ghosh, our Dynamic Honorary Secretary West Bengal branch, and a special thanks Dr. Aniruddha De, my scientific chairman, sir, for all the time support and guidance we are getting from everyone in every steps. Mr. President, sir, basically these events cannot be happens in overnight. When we have starting the role since around 3 months back, it required planning and bird's eye view for the details. We have been fortunate enough to supported by a team of very motivated staff of CSI and our Dr. De Adunika and Shangmitra of Cubic's team, who has been knowing the well of the result oriented of this conference. In the same breath, I want to special thanks to industry people. Without their unrestricted academic grant support, we cannot hold this conference. Last but not the least, basically my heartfelt thanks to all the dignitaries, faculties, delegates, seniors, and my junior friends for your active participation and make it as a grand success for this. With due foresight, I will say, long live our CSI West Bengal branch, long live CSI, and wishing everyone for COVID-free world, soon we can get it. My special thanks to all of you and very, very thank you. Be safe in this Corona age. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your experience with us. Thank you, everyone, to present here to this inauguration ceremony and to enlighten the ceremony with your active participation. Thank you so much, everyone.